That story shows that some people react adversely when society has become increasingly multicultural. Web journalist and host of The Resident, Lori Harfinist, took to the streets of New York to find out which group of people think is most discriminated against.
Many people feel prejudice against other people for many different reasons. So what group of people do you think feels the most prejudice against them? Let's talk about that. What group of people in the world do you think feels the most prejudice against them today?
Oh, black people.
Black people?
Absolutely.
I would say Arabs.
Gay people.
You think gay people are most prejudiced against today?
Yeah, I think so.
Well, you go with the blacks, obviously, but that is a tough question.
Is it still pretty rampant in South Africa?
Yeah.
No, that's definitely not.
Obese people. That's my answer. What's your answer?
I would say maybe Islamic individuals, just because of the whole fight on terrorism.
Depends where you're from, because in Canada we have a large population of East Indian, or in our little community, but probably down here, maybe blacks.
I think everyone's at least a little prejudiced, but because everyone has their own preferences of who they would rather be around based on how they've grown up.
Is that something that just happens, or is there any way to prevent it?
Education, I think, of people helps it. I mean, it's one of those things that's a knee-jerk reaction, just based upon an association with a negative. Same experience black people used to have. As we've become more and more comfortable about talking about those kinds of things, it gets to be less and less of a fear.
The media has a lot to do with how people feel, how people think, and how people react to certain situations. So, you have to go off your own personal beliefs that everybody is equal.
No matter what group of people you think feel the most prejudice against them, I think we can all agree it's never good to judge people.